Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today in this video we'll be reviewing about Mega Typers, which is an online captcha solving type job. We'll see whether it is legit or a scam or whether we can get paid or not. Apart from that, I have made a separate playlist for captcha solving and data entry works. You can check out my playlist. It will be in the description box below or in the cards above. So now without dragging a bit, we'll start off with the video. Now this is the website guys, it's megatypers.com. As usual, I will leave the link of this website down in the description box below. You can check it out. As far as my first impression, website design is bit so old and it's not up to the mark that I have seen till now. Even 2capture.com website was bit good looking user interface and everything, and the design was actually good comparatively. And this is the sign up form guys. This is as usual as how other websites are, name and other information that you have to fill. But one thing I felt different was asking about the payment type, because usually our payment type we will be just doing it after signing up with this website and going inside the dashboard, then only we'll be doing. But this one is like prior to sign up itself they were asking about it. So make sure you choose the convenient one. You have so many types of transfers available. PayPal is preferred one. Bitcoin also is there. You can check it out and choose it. Once you have clicked on the submit button, you will be getting a verification code in your Gmail or mail ID that you have given, and you have to just log in using those things. Those credentials will be already sent to your mail ID. Just log in through it and set a new password, submit it, you are good to go. Now before moving on, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now after you have signed up, logged in and everything all set, now this is your dashboard. You will also be able to see everything about your statistics, which is the current reputation, and everything will be seen here, listed here on a date wise tabular column. So you can check out how much you are working and how your reputation is nothing but how many correct answers, correct captures you are solving and those stuff. So that's all about it guys. If you're going to work, you'll have start work button, which I'll be showing you now. So I feel this statistics page is like satisfactory because it shows everything, all your precision details and how many correct captures you have done per thousand captcha solving. So I think that's great. So here in your dashboard you'll be able to see start working. When you click on that start working, you will get captcha works. Now about the review. Once you click on to that start working, you will be able to see captchas to solve. You will be having 15 seconds to solve a captcha. You will have very less like $0.045 per thousand captchas in the starting, and as your reputation increases, your amount per thousand captchas will also be increasing. So as far as I know, I worked there for more than hours and days in the starting, but I wasn't able to get as much as I thought, even not up to 2capture.com. So it was a bit disappointing because putting up a lot of hard work in this website didn't actually give me that much amount of money that I was expecting. And you can earn up to maximum of $1.5 per thousand captures, but that will be out of a rat case. You won't be able to get it consistently. So this is how you will be getting captures that you have to solve, and you have to submit. Either you can give submit and try another, or you can submit and pause and wait till you are relaxed and you're ready for the other one. So this will be according to the number of people in the queue. If someone is before you, they will be getting another capture and you'll be getting the next one if you are next in the queue. So that's how this is working. Now, as you all are very familiar with the Start Working tab, I will move on with the other things. In the left side of your dashboard panel, you will be able to see profile and payments, where you can change, edit your name and other things, and payment gateways. In Typer Solver is a new thing, which is nothing but a software or an app like which you can install and start getting more frequent captchas to solve, which will also be having those puzzle kind of thing, puzzles, captchas or something like that. So you can do that, but I'm not installing it because I don't want to spoil my system if any like virus is coming inside with it. I'm not sure, so I didn't install it. Usually I won't be installing any app or anything like that. So this is another option to actually, to get a lot of captcha solving works without waiting in that queue for a long time. Another one is lottery, another one is statistics. Lottery is nothing but you will be getting some cash frequently through luck. Statistics we have already seen, it's nothing but your stat according to your reputation and other things. And you have affiliates, which is nothing but referral. If you refer your friends and if they use your invitation code, you will be getting bonus cash. And another one is guidebook, which you have instruction manual. Another one is logout. So that's all about this user interface, and it's easy to use. You will be able to understand it. If you have any doubt, you can leave it in the comments below. I will make sure I answer it as soon as possible. And about the main review of this website, now we'll start off with the pros as usual. Now talking about pros, you have so many payment interface that you can use, payment gateways that you can use to withdraw your amount. Number two, the user face is easy to understand and simple. And number three, that I think is giving two captchas at the same time is actually doubling up your bonus and cash. So I think that's a great thing which I haven't seen in any other website. So that is another one major advantage. And now talking about the con, they have extremely very low pay rate, and I have also seen so many reviews that have said they don't pay you that frequently. Even if you have a threshold of more than $10, they won't be paying you that frequently. So frequency of paying is also very low. And depending upon your cash, they might also be charging you as well for transferring. And another third one is like, they have $3 payout threshold as far as I know, but which is not clearly listed here in their website. And number four is they might ban your account without any notification. So that I think is very serious issue, because banning your account might, you might lose all your work and all your savings. So you won't be able to even withdraw what you have done till now. And also, one major warning that I thought was, in this website they haven't given any privacy policy or any terms and conditions paid separately. I wasn't able to search and find it out also. And also, the owner of this website is not listed anywhere in this Google, so I'm not able to find it. I searched a lot. I'm not able to find who is the owner of this website, but I was able to find out that this website was created in 2012, but not sure who is the owner. So I think these are all bit warning signs, but if you have time and if you really want to try, you can try it out and let me know in the comments below how it was with you and whether you were able to withdraw the amount or not. And if you have already experienced some issue in this website, you can also leave it in the comments below so that other people can also get an insight about this website. So as far as I know, this is not my cup of tea. I'm not interested in doing further work with this website. If you are, you can try it out and leave it in the comments below. So that's all about the video, guys. If you really like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and you can also share it with your friends. So meet you all in the next video, guys. Until then, bye and thank you.